Stop thinking you need a big budget, expensive software, or years of experience to make money with AI. Because the easiest AI business model isn't building the next billion-dollar startup. It isn't coding apps. And it definitely isn't spending months creating a course nobody buys. The real opportunity is much simpler. People are already paying for AI-generated work every single day. They just don't want to learn the tools themselves. That means you can become the person who does it for them. And here's the surprising part. The less you create from scratch, the more profitable this business can become. Stay until the end because I'm going to show you the complete workflow that lets beginners deliver professional results using AI in a fraction of the time. Most people completely overlook one simple strategy that can double what they charge. Let's get started. The laziest AI business model is selling AI-powered services. Instead of creating your own product. Instead of building an audience first. Instead of waiting months to earn your first dollar. You use AI to complete work for businesses, creators, and professionals. You're not selling AI. You're selling results. Businesses don't care if ChatGPT helped write their blog. They care that the blog brings in customers. A realtor doesn't care if AI edited listing photos faster. They care that homes sell quicker. That's a huge difference. Concept number 1 is understanding what clients actually buy. People don't buy prompts. They don't buy artificial intelligence. They buy solved problems. If a restaurant needs social media posts every week, they aren't paying for words. They're paying for consistency. If a YouTuber needs video scripts, they're paying for more uploads. If a real estate agent needs listing descriptions, they're paying for faster sales. The AI is simply your assistant. That's why service businesses remain one of the fastest ways to earn money with AI. Concept number 2 is choosing high-demand services. Don't try offering 50 different things. Master just a few. Blog writing. YouTube scripts. Email newsletters. Product descriptions. Social media content. Image creation. Presentation design. Video editing. Podcast summaries. Business research. Notice something? None of these require advanced programming. Most can be completed with AI in under an hour. And businesses need them every single week. Here's where it gets interesting. Most beginners think they need to become AI experts. You don't. You only need to become slightly better than your clients. That's enough to create value. Concept number 3 is building a simple AI workflow. Professionals don't sit in ChatGPT all day typing random prompts. They follow systems. For example, a client asks for 10 Instagram posts. First, ChatGPT generates the captions. Then another AI tool creates matching images. A grammar checker polishes everything. Finally, Canva packages it into ready-to-post graphics. Instead of spending 6 hours, the entire project might take 45 minutes. The client sees polished content. They never see your workflow. That's what they're paying for. Quick question. If AI saves you 5 hours, should you charge less? Absolutely not. You're charging for the outcome, not the time. That mindset changes everything. Concept number 4 is finding clients without spending money. This is where most people get stuck. They think they need thousands of followers. You don't. Start where businesses already gather. Local businesses. Facebook groups. LinkedIn. Freelance marketplaces. small YouTube creators, real estate agents, coaches, restaurants, dentists, insurance agencies. Many of them know AI exists. Very few know how to use it effectively. Your first message shouldn't talk about AI. It should talk about solving their biggest problem. For example, I noticed your business hasn't posted on social media in 2 weeks. I can create a month's worth of content for you. That's much stronger than saying, I use ChatGPT. People buy solutions, not software. Concept number 5 is creating repeat income. One-time projects are nice. Monthly clients are better. Imagine writing one blog. You get paid once. Now imagine managing 4 blogs every month. Now your income becomes predictable. The same goes for social media, email marketing, video scripts, SEO articles, business reports. Monthly retainers create stability. Instead of chasing new clients every week, your existing clients continue paying you. That's how small AI service businesses quietly grow into full-time incomes. Here's a surprising insight most people never realize. The businesses making the most money with AI usually spend less time inside AI than beginners do. Why? Because they've built templates, checklists, prompt libraries, automation. They aren't reinventing every project. They're repeating proven systems. That's where real efficiency comes from. Concept number 6 is using AI to increase quality, not replace thinking. This is a mistake almost everyone makes. They copy the AI response. Then they send it. Bad idea. Always edit. Add personality. Fact-check important claims. Improve the introduction. Rewrite boring sections. AI gives you the first draft. You create the final product. That small amount of human editing separates professionals from amateurs. And clients notice the difference immediately. Let's reset for a second. If you're thinking this sounds too simple, that's exactly why it works. Most people overcomplicate making money online. Businesses simply need work completed faster and better. AI helps you deliver exactly that. Concept number 7 is stacking multiple AI tools together. One tool is helpful. Several tools working together become a business. Imagine this workflow. ChatGPT writes the script. Claude improves clarity. Perplexity checks recent information. 11 Labs creates realistic voiceovers. Pictory turns everything into a faceless video. Canva designs the thumbnail. Now you've delivered an entire YouTube package. One client. One project. Several AI tools doing specialized jobs. That's much more valuable than using only one platform. Concept number 8 is charging based on value instead of effort. This is one of the biggest mindset shifts. Suppose an AI tool helps you finish a project in 30 minutes. The client uses that project to earn $5,000. Were those 30 minutes really worth only $20? Of course not. Businesses measure return on investment, not typing speed. If your work increases sales, generates leads, or saves significant time, your pricing should reflect that value. Never apologize because AI helped you work faster. Efficiency is an advantage, not something to hide. Concept number 9 is building assets while serving clients. Here's something smart that advanced freelancers do. Every project creates reusable resources. Great prompts. templates, email frameworks, script structures, content calendars, proposal documents. The next client becomes easier, then easier again. Eventually you're running your business from systems you've already created. That's when your hourly earnings quietly begin climbing. The final concept is scaling beyond yourself. Many people think an AI business always means trading time for money. Not anymore. Once you have proven systems, you can hire editors, virtual assistants, designers, or project managers. AI handles the repetitive work. Your team handles quality control. You focus on getting new clients. Eventually you're managing projects instead of completing every task yourself. That's how a solo AI freelancer can evolve into a real digital agency. Let's put everything together. The laziest AI business model isn't lazy because you avoid work. It's lazy because you eliminate unnecessary work. You let AI handle repetitive tasks. You build repeatable systems. You solve real business problems. And you charge based on the value you deliver. Remember these 10 ideas. Understand what clients actually buy. Choose services with constant demand. Build repeatable workflows. Find clients by solving problems. Create recurring monthly income. Use AI to improve quality. Stack multiple AI tools together. Price based on value. Turn every project into a reusable asset. Scale your business with systems and automation. None of this requires programming. None of it requires a huge investment. What it does require is taking action before everyone else catches up. AI isn't replacing people who provide value. It's replacing people who refuse to adapt. The opportunity is still wide open, but it won't stay that way forever. If you found this helpful, keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep building. In the next video, we'll dive even deeper into AI workflows that can save hours every week while helping you create even more value for clients.